A pleasant day to everyone. So for this video, I will be explaining or discussing the collision regulation rule number 15, which is the crossing situation. So let's start. So rule number 15, crossing situation. When two power-driven vessels are crossing so as to involve risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side shall keep out of the way and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. So, as we read the rule number 15 crossing situation, it was being said on the rule that avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. So, in the time of sailing, as we observe or see that there is a risk of collision has being occur, we should point out in another direction to doesn't across to the other vessel to pass the risk of collision. Finding another direction is the best way to prevent having a collision. Example of these rules is this kind of situation. Consider that we are the blue vessel and there are another vessel or a cargo ship that is on a crossing situation also. So as we observe, we can see that the two vessels are going through on the same point of direction. So there are a risk of collision. So in this situation, we can stop the vessel or point out to the another direction. So in this example, we used to make an alteration and point out to the another direction. So we can see that risk of collision passed. So now, in this time, the blue vessel can come back to the original direction and go through and the risk of collision passed. So that's all in the rule number 15 and I hope you learned something from my discuss and my explanation and the example. So that would be all and thank you for watching and God bless everyone.